How to find hidden apps on Android. Hey everybody, welcome to Official Help Desk. In today's video, I'm going to show you some ways through which you can find hidden apps in your Android device. So without any further ado, let us get started. For that, simply open up your app and you will see this page. Now tap on three-dot icon on your top right and tap on Settings. Here, scroll below and tap on Hide Apps on Home Screen and Apps screens. As you do so, you will see Hidden Apps. Here you will see all the list of apps that you have hidden. Another way you could do it is simply go to Play Store and type in the name of the app that is hidden and you want to find it. Once you do so, if that application is installed in your device, you will simply see it here and all you have to do is tap on Open. As you do so, this will open your application on your Android device that was previously hidden. And that is how you can do it. That wraps up today's tutorial. If you would like to see more videos on this topic, then all you have to do is comment down below and we will make a video on that topic. In the meantime, do like this video and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell icon to never miss an update from us. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in our next upload.